In this video, you're going to learn how to change the font within any text on your page. Here we're just working off a basic homepage template. Go ahead and highlight by simply hovering over whichever text you would like to change. And we're going to go ahead and click on the stylize icon. It says style this text. After clicking on the stylize icon, you'll see a menu bar pop up on the right-hand side of the screen. Now we're going to be scrolling down and it is on the top section here. We're looking for font family. Now, since you clicked stylized for this specific text, any changes to this text, let's say we want to, change the font to any font within the software, we can simply do that by hovering over the drop-down menu and selecting whichever font we would like. So you guys can play around with the different fonts until you find one that you like. Let's go ahead and stick with Oswald. And then once you've selected your font, you can go ahead and press save at the top. Once you click save, that font is now changed, and you can repeat this process by hovering over any other font section within your page, clicking that stylize icon. And again, when you change the font family, you're only going to be changing the font of the text that you have selected. Okay, so that's very important to remember. And as always, once you click save, that's when your changes will actually be made. So always remember to click save. I hope this was helpful.